National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Kimball County in northeast Illinois, Will County in northeast Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Minooka to Manhattan to Manteno and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Peatone, Joliet, Ingalls Park, New Lenox, Moki Nut, Frankfurt, Plainfield, Lockport, University Park, Homer Glen, Orland Park, Matson, Romeoville, Tinley Park, Park Forest, Olympia Fields, Lamont, Stager, Bolingbrook, and Flossmoor. Other locations affected: Chicago End Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Hoosier University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest